Kennedy Ohene Agyapong on hold office bi a Ghana had that. Kennedy no Ohene or minister na. Kennedy I know minister.
David.
Or be vice.
David.
Or reanimate.
David.
Kennedy then. No MP. Kennedy no dey see you.
Oh David o ni see you.
E dey na dey pa Kennedy chow.
And no multi-million question.
I didn't know individual hold office bi ada onya hweda ni hu yehu yes we about them oban madu answer akọ cabinet answer akọ cabinet meeting now say nipa no sen ne onu ko mbie na no kura nkasa ai me say whenever Kennedy will speak NPP will collapse. I'm telling you. So the day you speak NPP will collapse. 2024 Yababeko elections. Because say NPP has failed Ghanaians. But whenever the Kennedy Babe lead the NPP, no NDC will have problem. Make 2024. So the Kennedy lead the NPP. Or no be leading NPP in 2024. NDC would have had problem. NDC would have won although, but that would have been a slight margin.
Can you hold?
You know why? The youth of this country, I believe, is a man of his ways. Like, Okas obey. But when we were afraid, say, Omudi Kennedy Bebano, they saw Kennedy as nobody. So, no, Omudi at them. Again, property identity base, you know, and they said they will make sure say NPP remains in opposition forever. Let me tell you one secret.
Okay.
The first secret, the Kokote, the BNF movement for change, was to make sure say NPP doesn't win power in 2024.
Okay. Alan.
Omo achieve. The second move. I say you be making sure say 2028 they failed again. No matter what DBF in the base. And let me be honest with you. If you look at the way at the base and the trend at the base in the move, it's only the people with shallow mind that Nebeka say it has no impact on NPP.
Okay.
Or those with mediocre. But I can sit here and bet you and tell you, say, if this base ebetna MPP betcha in opposition or move the before more, they even forget say there's a party called MPP.
Right, TMO Bibia Kwa by her a tele media so and of course all the exclusives nina yene yatinasi de besom. And of course Nana Ohene Agyei. Hey, atenase odibe ransi minimu sanso na medin de tele evangelist Samson owusu ene ensem a edia de nchechi e won tenten fidi ni so busuafo ano ayeshi papa Samia uku ene wabekasa wase Baumia has made a personal and private visit to Kennedy Agyapong on how to unite NPP and win power in 2028. Sansemi ene ne keka hon ane atenasi yede ababesom eno kre se eye Dr. Mahamudu Baumia akọ eye Kennedy aso eye ene na akotwetwe nkomo ana yibewura esas ensimnu na yedi emu enkomo. O join the and subscribe and leave a comment in the comment section, like and share the link. Ohene
boss
dear Dr. Baumia any team akofa banu.
Minua ebedo wase na yechi etiefo ne yahwefo. Na yaka say over the week me new share on this platform I make actually say the purpose at which the base was established, is to make sure the MPP stays in opposition forever.
Yeah.
And then Nkrofo a anti-politics and attacking me on social media. Na bibrina cancel basa and the family. Right after say base for the bar on thing back actually say yakwaku be office. Nkrofo move the crowd a move the base nechi. Not based on their interview. in some of and say would no Kennedy no vote sadie na be hunu na Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia so nenkrofo na ti social media edi matam ka kire me say oh me beye politics da ben me ye say me beye communication is da ben I think my actions have been justified and it is clear say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ti asem na me kai no he have seen the purpose at which the base is established.
Okay,
what I say?
Yeah.
My kire say nobody can convince me say ansa na ye babeti base no yambo Kennedy Ohene Agyapong amane na makacho say one of the individuals they will take revenge on NPP for disappointing him Kennedy Ohene Agyapong.
Okay,
you see some of the issues I hear to say free mobile yeah they artistically been say
yeah
you see Kennedy akache say ne ka bi obo ebi ontu ama no so that he can make peace with him.
Okay.
Whether as to what they are saying is true or not, any the meaning.
Okay.
But what I want to tell you is me say adwin popotin ayediti base and he said they will make sure say NPP remains in opposition forever. Let me tell you one secret.
Okay.
The first secret the Kokote, the BNF movement for change, was to make sure MPP doesn't win power in 2024.
Okay. Alan.
Omo achieve. The second move, I say we be making sure say 2028 they failed again. No matter Kokote DBF in the base. And let me be honest with you. If you look at the way at the base and the trend at the base in the move it's only the people with shallow mind that Nebeka say it has no impact on NPP.
Okay.
Or those with mediocre. Nebeka say but I can sit here and bet you and tell you say if this base ebetna NPP betcha in opposition or move the before they even forget say there's a party called NPP.
Wow.
So when we speak truth to them, people who doesn't know, if I say, oh, or this ni, and whatever he speaks, will speak against NPP. But I'm telling you, Kennedy Ohene Agyapong, for insulting him, say, Wabodamno, he will avenge them.
Okay.
You see, is it 2020 and 2024 no be back and say okwa contest na special aid to Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia e back say ye probi mena the party anima say be you be or mentally unstable.
Yeah. Yeah.
I say it's not somebody who is mentally unstable. So what again have they seen? And Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia me fu ni fie and moving with crowd. Akwa we nchen say yes raw. Jani yankani yamfa sundwembra. Me say whether it rains or shine, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia bet try all that he can, but Kennedy will never forgive them. Even when they promise him vice president, he will never forgive them.
And I think say Kennedy can say be say he doesn't see Dr. Bawumia exist in his life. Or can I say
oh yeah.
Yeah.
So whoever says because some of us, you see, sometimes you feel sad. I feel sad when I see certain commentary about the same young can concerning some of the things I hear cultural. When you speak facts to them, and ignorantly they will attack you, say, what kind of credit actual?
Yeah.
Me say if NPP like or more marking in the whole world won't. Whatever you better say, yeah, establish a DBFN base. Everybody knows a base. So what is the word base are? You see, Ubia Kwakoti base are. We know that base normally is terrorist attack.
Okay. The word base, no?
Sir. Ubeka there was a time. Ansana Ukraine and Russia, you see, NATO force or mu Kwakoti or mu base. Ukraine. Na Russians or Montias. Ubeka tell US US for your margin so mabeti base or Ghana. What the Ghana for?
Yeah.
We say no.
No crepa.
What I say?
Yeah.
So normally base is to attack something. Until the we are seeing answer, say somebody is speaking about a base. You know, say a yadie bi a yedi babe ye bibi etie bibi. So once a base is being established, you should know, say a babe serve certain purpose.
Okay.
So when I heard say omakwa kwati party bi na party na yeti no, a dear that was is based na make I say no. These people from where the person is coming from, and then Crawford did this political party nature. It's not a political party yet. We have been told say they are very soon on follow so that they becomes political party. But time I met side I'm saying there's hidden agenda.
Okay.
To make sure say NPP stays in opposition for a longest time than what the NDC is even anticipating. What I say?
Yeah.
So what we want them to understand, say no amount of insult in a bit changing what has been established today.
Okay.
Omo friend anywhere. With the works and be using on him as an individual. Me catch you say there's a gentleman and it Omo ye bold enough to tell Kennedy Ohene Agyapong say yen konkoto aba mobia ye bie ni tiri.
Yeah.
Indirectly somebody who is mad. A special aid to Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia say they will never vote for a candidate so onuma dra and son or the ababe cabinet. You understand that statement? Somebody who is mentally unstable. So onuma dra and son or ababe cabinet meeting. Meaning say meaning say Kennedy Ohene Agyapong eda sebi abodan for edro so. So as a say onum say edro no ansana wababe cabinet meeting as. And such a person, if you want to reconcile with him, would you say he would take things slightly? I think she said he will avenge every single thing they've done to him in this country.
And of course, the supporters, can supporters, or more the issue be about one thing say, and someone proud to premise, or more kikachira and semi young kikachira. Omo so ogitum so bokwa kwa campaign NPP a ombebe those audios ni videos ni nyina akire na manaya ne ya so o se ni refi ni ho a omo de be kai say sensem say na course
so even the followers threaten say if you dare try say obeko NPP people who belongs to the NPP I say if you dare go back to NPP again e kwan ye do be fa so you will rather make you feel bitter than the omode year. So, if it happens to be in the shoes of Kennedy today, what will be your reactions? Your actions and reactions toward what Nkrofo do with Chineka. You get it?
Yeah.
So, we live in a country, I'm a catcher of say, it will come back to hit you. People like Alan Kojocha-Mantin, no more believe say MPP has a tradition. Tradition is say, we build candidates towards a specific election. That is more reason why Emra na Kufuor introduce Alan Kojocha-Mantin at the MPP.
Okay.
But inside MPP, na Nkrofo su say na nye Alan Kojocha-Mantin so na do more rather na do na Kufuor eso.
Okay.
So with the introduction of Alan Kojocha-Mantin, election there course 2007. What happens is that Alan Kojocha-Mantin vote onya any voter na Kufuor onya no. Na sanke ko bibi a friend runoff. But Alan stepped down because not believe say okay, let's respect the traditional. Ye was say if we so a way na do. What I said, that is the kind of structure MPP building.
Okay.
So they built this structure in such a way, say, or more build this structure in such a way, say if we so ananke do so. So Alan will have to step down, give Akufo-Addo the next nod say on Fanko non Konko lady. Akufo-Addo failed again. Alan did not contest him again. You allow him to go. So 2016, Akufo-Addo won. So what Alan Kwadwo was expecting from Akufo-Addo is that Oberman I said this time it's also my time. But unfortunate for Alan Kwadwo and Akufo-Addo cover Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia to make sure and making sure also say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ever winning over Alan Kwadwo.
Okay.
So Alan Kwadwo realized he said no. And no man ya plot to the ATM and wedding. And let me be honest here. In the NPP hierarchy, no one say nipa nyandu no so kron kan kura. Ne Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Okay. Kan kura.
Okay.
Because near the vice president near kasa with the vice president na do so dia. Nanka Liu Mahama be vice president for Kufuor no. Nanka be kasa anka do Liu Mahama so.
Okay.
The late. Okay?
Yeah.
But you can't say. Kufuor can't say. Kufuor so say let's prepare another person right after Kufuor. Send him somewhere.
Okay.
And Kufuor ebe bo Alan Kwadwo buga. So the reason at which Alan Kwadwo the Kwati movement was to also make sure NPP doesn't win power in 2024.
Because of them their entity.
Because of them their entity. So at least when they go to opposition, they can commit me and strategize it on my party view. Unfortunately, on my opposition, things got worse. Dr. Kennedy Agyapong believe say yeah, friend the party structure kwani they assign Kwadwo Alan Kwadwo chairman me ban sana wo Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ba. Yeah. Because Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia before 2008 na NPP mu ni enimu.
David.
You get it?
Yeah.
Yeah, Papa. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. We were parliament for over 20 years. So when he was even in MPP, I know all financing MPP. I didn't see kind of resource financing MPP. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia were nowhere to be found.
Yeah. Yeah, it's true.
Inti ekwanya NPP for afaso. Edi Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ba be she omukon at once no. That is what a Kennedy and Nechita for believe say. Say my baby say there is no way we also allow you to taste power. And I'm telling you, a bit taking miracle for Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia to become president in Ghana.
Ghana kunyano.
I'm telling you, it will take a miracle. Because you see, the people who also plotted against them, they also now plotting against you to make sure so you also don't succeed. Because penfo abebu obi say one ma yonko entwa nkwa untwendu.
Okay.
You get it?
Yeah.
So one ma yonko entwa nkra. There's no way say we should be bedru. So the people are omo ma de man yo omo ya no. They are the people today telling because you will come and the Kennedy Agyapong Bekache said he was offered $800 million to step down or cancel Debbie.
Yeah. Because
but you think $800 million is a small amount of money. Huh?
Not for
$1 million. And that dollar no from Ukraine. Just $1 million is 111 billion. He was offered 111 billion. 800. Can you imagine? I think if the person doesn't have passion, so be president that will be declines anyway. So he was offered 800 and nobody was able to come out to say what Kennedy was saying at that time is not true. It's obvious that the Kennedy Bekache said he was offered $800 million to step down was true. So say Mose Onimnyansa wa bodam. He will prove to you say what in a bodam sem. he can still make sure that the political party Muhun say Wabodam will never come to power. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia in the first place should forget about 2028 elections.
No,
that's a dead one.
Oh, no, dear.
You should forget about that.
No, dear. You Kennedy cry aside. I don't know, cry dear. And yeah, there's a be possible.
They should forget MPP.
Or more ankasa parameters or more denominated.
The MPP should forget about 2028 coming to power. It's not going to happen.
Say Kennedy cry G2 so be campaign
they should forget. Oh. With the kind of structure of my building, when we were in opposition, not the way I build it when you say you're building. We didn't build opposition on lies, on propaganda. We spot the fact. We didn't spot lies. Now, whenever we hit them with fact.
Okay.
What I say?
Yeah.
But what they do, they hit us, and we approach them, they come back to apologize and retract. It means that they are not serious.
Okay.
Listen, nipe bi oba abonti, nipe bi okasa. Who can say we need catch say, hey, ubwa, blabe pacho, or back pacho bi, and it doesn't have credibility. Just recently, Asefua Tafu MP has demonstrated that.
Oh, okay.
Reverend Tim Fordwalk has also demonstrated that. So the outspoken men now, the new in the NPP, no, have proven to be say they have less credibility. They cannot be trusted. You get it?
Yeah.
So for the 2028 elections, I know, sir, with the kind of structures MPP and this year building today, and the kind of structures MPP ever today, no, they can never match NDC in 2028. For that is not possible.
Yeah, I know there.
You see it? So what we are saying is that with the insult, Dr. Kennedy Agyapong, when they were telling us from a camp of Brian Champon,
yeah,
did that 16 cents at the bread Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Me see the 16 cents by the name de wumpa is somebody who is very indecisive.
Okay.
Somebody who cannot decide for himself. And we want that particular individual to come and control one to come and lead the country. So we see Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia surprisingly did not see the essence wire. He didn't do that.
Yeah.
Did you see that apologizing to Alan Kojo? Sense.
David.
But why are they apologizing to people as well about them? Because they see him as threat more even than Alan Kojo.
Yeah, walk of us about Ohene.
Because time Alan free mono. Now you're about the elections. 2024 elections. Oman kwa Alan Kojo Mantin intern ko kanjen Alan. Ye pa chewo. Fi a wufi party no be hayen. Inti yesro bra. They saw say maybe Alan will not make any impact. Any significant impact ebetimi ama omalusu elections.
Okay. So men who say we are relevant to them.
No. What you say?
Yeah.
But Kennedy, the one now must say, Sebi. Today they are apologizing to him. But I think that why did Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia in the first place has to go to Kennedy or Ohene Japon's house? Why is I to abawi here? We consider defeat. Or so what again is he scared? That is the question. That is the question that people should start asking Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Because make us see to abawi here. Okoninche di nisa kwoto nisa yemuchia no.
Yeah.
Eba mo no. Ega jen say mo amose mo nto abanyi na mo bia ankasa na me so anka mbeka dey. Nti bibie ni ho, mini asem bie ni ho. Nti eba ni say na. Kennedy ti ni fie ya ndem ase atuka. Say Kennedy mesraw yen kambum. But I learned say on the day We embrace peace and unity.
Yeah, yeah, on that day.
So what again? I told you, say, if you try to joke with Kennedy on Agyapong, you will laugh at the round side of your mouth. Until those in Dr. Mahmoud Bawumiechi, our Mundi Kennedy on Agyapong, if I were them today, I'll be on my knees and apologize to him and retract every single word you speak against him.
Because Ohene se pe de sami oku kan say Bawumiane Kennedy akoshia akoye personal private meeting and all that. Now, se sa de na ekoso a na ensemi ya omo ka kire no na chidifo ka kire Dr. Bawumia chidifo ka kire no nyina na sa nkofo enso be retract se de wo kana ebe possible nsem omo pe nsem omo sami oku kan.
You see, the whole show is this. Me say ubetimi ababontin ababe retract it. Once you come out to retract those words and apologize, we lose credibility. People will not take you serious. Yeah. Whoever speak and try to retract those words, normally who can stand for serious. Omunim say unim because wo kwa ka dey be ba pacho. But the truth is that me say yes, o makwa private meeting. No, and you no musiri
yeah.
And yes, I see the way na to aban wi no musiri.
No kure.
Me pacho see the musiri ndey. And the omo to aban wi no musiri no. Difference be ni. It is the same thing. The same see the na Kennedy they accept defeat. I got to say me ni awa win. And anything na we using you be osiri kire obi no. E na do wo. So we ko wura na ko so wa afa ne se a. Osiri de benchre se onu osiri o obeka.
Okay.
You get it?
Yeah.
So Syria now whenever you see Kennedy or Agyapong, no Syria no, it's a bite. So you don't speak against an individual because Kennedy or Agyapong on hold office be our Ghana had that. Kennedy, no or a minister na. Kennedy, I know a minister.
David.
Or be a vice.
David.
Or a reanimate.
David.
Kennedy then. No a MP. Kennedy no a see you.
Oh, David, you need see you.
And then they are Kennedy chow.
And no multi-million question.
I didn't know individual hold office be other on your shader. Yes, who about them or Ben Madras or cabinet as soon as cabinet meeting. Now, send me panosin ne on the ground being an okranka side. Listen, whenever Kennedy will speak, NPP will collapse. I'm telling you. So the day you speak, NPP will collapse. If you dare speak, because I remember. Time I know elections no can say be if you wanna speak today you better MPP offices in them me kasa no ma ya you better MPP office. Excuse me, economist one at the buy. Economist one at the buy. Kennedy.
Okay.
I'll say excuse me, economist papa ben. You better excuse me, economist. One advice. So you know, Kennedy have punches. He can punch you. And you see, he's one gentleman over the years. He and directing the capacity and normal Kennedy beat me.
Who can say no?
2024, Yababeko elections. Meka say NPP has failed Ghanaians. But whenever the Kennedy Babe lead the NPP, no NDC will have problem. Meka 2024. So the Kennedy lead the NPP. Or no be leading NPP in 2024. NDC would have problem. NDC would have won although, but that would have been a slight margin.
Can you
know why? The youth of this country believe is a man of his ways. Like Okas obey. But when we were afraid, say Omudi Kennedy Bebano, they saw Kennedy as nobody. So no Omudi at them. I told you say you better go 2024 elections. Make I say obi omode ni beba NDC be bone hands down. Na Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia I make us on a lot of platforms say the here 2024 elections e tape ni Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia no nsem a okeka in previous years and so no ba ben.
Omukra party for no kra no ya we na me nim ni ntia. Onse kase da bia maso wo de NPP maso wo de no. E form for no kra no ya we say Bawumia de se befa and emfa 2028 mo ya we. Monim.
You get it? Until make I say, those say me and say NPP have performed very abysmal. Me and say whenever me de Kennedy beba no kono ba be den. Na NDC be win 2024 elections on the basis say na oba say economy no completely.
Yeah, no dey.
But now so no na your personality be that would have made the game very tough for NDC.
It didn't ehunu saade no e aburo no bia wo kana
me catch you say when it come to NPP almost scheme almost transfer no ma plan ade no because the entire idea is say 2024 by all means ye be wiem but no more for omo fi omo say Ghana ha say parliamentary elections in yedi kan so once you are losing parliamentary elections, automatically presidential will lose. So when they saw NDC across 137, 115, I'm saying, Agyei. The very NDC now 138 on 2024, na Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia who's a make the president and farmer. Because why should I become an executive for legislature and a majority in parliament, opposition a majority in parliament? That would have been the toughest time for Dr. Mahmoud. And could be failure to do failure. You see, so 2024, everybody knew say with Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia they will lose. Until let me say, Kennedy have never uttered a word. The Okan say, oh, Montreal. Say if you cry yes in 3 years that you know.
Bibia
betimi yes asundwe nko a. Bibia anyway. Kennedy nkan hwe. E die na aka Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia okọ de vie. Ade no nko bre champo vie. De champo ni pay 18,000 to abama no. Ade no nko.
Ane ba nso say omumienu ken ne bre champo nko anso na entumi nko doctor how personally ni fie. Enti se mo se no krese omakọ ken o de ne mo nko doctor bre champo so we. Said Ohene.
Na de na nkan nyina akọ no fie na we mu anko. Omo anko because omo nipa mu no omo jitu mu se wedding kunim bo mu tirim adwene wo mu tirim. Ade ti no nko ana adutun ni aze bia. Nti no nko adutun bo no.
Omo se entiti ekure ba ni se ho. Aha rani meeting omo he so mo de ba.
Oh, is he? I'm the random mate to my Richmond and put in the party. My actually, I'm the random mate to my Richmond and now put back in the party. I'm telling you. So you don't know, say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, tries to be smart, but I tell you, Kennedy was smart or be at smart, no. I'm telling you.
Now, Ohene, this. Asami ukwabeke no present Dr. Bawumia akushia Kennedy wo hwede ekuya.
Oh, it true say I was told say that meeting no koso ndro say ne nansa na Kennedy Dr. Eko Kennedy vie ama Kennedy atu nanim say ka bi obo ebi ohia say ska no sa ne ntia ya tete no.
Okay,
what I say na me ka kire say no mu Kennedy as nobody, but when they saw the base I am sheshe naba. Me say NPP be in opposition. Opa betuma kan be bia ope. Opa betuma dumatem bia ope. But I tell you, Kennedy would definitely avenge them. Yeah, Kennedy hia bibia bi won asase we so. Ohia obia bibia.
Okay.
Kennedy bibia wadu no. He doesn't need anything. No political party at so a onu na adwuma kra political party ne na adwun so obegu no.
Yeah, eba ya.
Me see me tell be black man in Kumasi an interview. See MPP for by no be good in politics, no be good in ejuma. Nkrofo bebre no mo ye MPP for no mo ye MPP for no mo sponsor party no. Omo try say say nkrofo no ko mo be wiki no mo. Within their own terrain. No mo wiki omo nkrofo a they see say omo ye strong omo betimi a contend omo betimi a contest Dr. Mamu Bawumia no. They were slowly weakening them. Now when no ma mo dey Kennedy Agyapong. At some point in time, NPP wanted to collapse his businesses. All in the name say, yeah, Maun is strong so that he can contest Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. So they start some collapsing in Juma with the use of GRA, norm the taxes in normal.
Yeah, or not the kind. Say a Jerry for the Baho. Eban Honum.
So Nipo, I mean, and you say, my bomb to the person who be good in Juma. You think they will forgive you? Who said it? They say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia can go to Kennedy's house 14 times a week.
And so
he will still avenge him. Now who coca? Sakwana ni 3 minutes no. Kennedy ntina echire. Now ye metwa bama Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Now who coca ye me appoint minister and a special aid. Na Kennedy di echire hwe wo. Ozo wa boda wo ye wanya kwa wo ne abro ye. Sa abro ma ti se onu so yare ede ni kwa abro chire. Na oni abro ye.
Na dey cry na say
me metwa say abro ye say nyame aduna Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia wini a ye ma no iyoko director na so chiwa no mia
na
Kennedy be hwe so wo bra be si ko iyoko na ni me boa
na o my cry no de heard them de no oh my
so these are issues within your own political party no mo ba akran ka mugu na ejuma onu ane party no wo mu na o ye MP mam no aka mugu na ejuma. So let me be honest, it's going to take them years to be in opposition. For that is a fact.
Okay,
because that base has come to stay. And nkofu edi base na chikura they are threatening Kennedy. Say if you try, say we be reunited with MPP, we will deal with it. Either we vote against you, or you be both videos more kind some more kachiro. And I think so no be ya wo ya more mpo asen say time na omuka because that time kwade na campaign period. Nti bia ye kan kwa anya o ya sa. And then the when ni da ho yagani ye bo yem. That's what they are telling you.
Wow.
What I say?
Yeah.
So ekwa mo de sankrofo na befa so ekwa mo de Kennedy, they saw Kennedy as nobody, and then they see say gradually Kennedy with a base, you know, a trend, a year normal be into the how no be abrom. And I think that is very sad on the part of MPP. Okay. What they need to do today is say the omonamu koko mura say it's not necessary at this material point in time. And so baby amom. And it will yield no results. Which I say what they need to sit down today and say omo be CC omo party no omo be strategize party ni rather than the omonenam no omo ye no, for that it will not wash and it will continue affect them to eternity. In that based on what is happening to them today, if you continue hit them back like this, then they have a long way to go.
All right. Ebusia ote Ohene Agyei Michael in come within the televangelist Samson also eha ene djumedi no ebesi ebesre so don't sabe kan domano so. Now we'll leave you comment in the comment section like and share the link. That's ene yebesa e share you yakramo.